This tiny gadget does much more than just tell you the temperature. It tracks your room's climate, connects to the Xiaomi Home app, and can even become part of your smart home. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. Inside the box you'll find the Xiaomi Smart Temperature and Humidity Monitor 3, along with everything needed to get started. Right away, the first thing that stands out is just how compact and clean the design is. Despite its small size, the display is large and easy to read. It shows the current temperature, humidity, date, time, and even a small comfort indicator at the top. The minimalist white design also means it blends into almost any room. Setting it up couldn't really be easier. Open the Xiaomi Home app, search for new devices, and within a few moments the sensor is connected. From there you can monitor readings directly from your phone. Besides showing live readings, the app also stores historical temperature and humidity data, so you can monitor changes throughout the day. If you're already using other Xiaomi smart devices, this sensor can also be used in automations, making it much more than just a digital thermometer. For the price, I think this is a great little smart home gadget. It's easy to set up, the display is clear, the Xiaomi Home integration works well, and it's genuinely useful. The main reason I bought this wasn't just to know the room temperature. My office doubles as my filming studio and 3D printing room, so keeping an eye on the environment is actually useful. Between the computers, lighting, printers, and my recently added Xiaomi Air Purifier 6, I wanted a simple way to monitor the room throughout the day. For me, this is one of those small gadgets that quietly makes everyday life a little better. It's compact, easy to use, and fits perfectly into the Xiaomi ecosystem. If you found this review helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more tech, Lego, and 3D printing content, and I'll catch you in the next one.